Peter, are you sure you know what you're doing?
Never stopped me before.
Come on in! Wait, didn't you try to eat me? Show me your teeth. Do like a goat, like... It was you! I knew it! How are you? So good to see you.
Hello.
Run!
It looks like there's a new owner.
This guy? Who does he think he is? This is our land.
Hello, I'm Bee.
Thomas McGregor.
These gates are incredibly sturdy.
I just need to keep the wildlife out where they belong. In London, we find vermin and we exterminate them.
What happens if we touch it?
We're about to find out.
No, Mrs. Tiggy Winkle, stop!
Walk away.
This is our ancestors' land. It's time to get our garden back. We're gonna need everyone. Come on! Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, Benjamin. Run!
Rabbits are perfect creatures. You're going to love them.
That was so classic. He was like...
Things are not going to end well for you. No guts, no glory.
It's time to bring the fight to him.
London.
Would you like to have a hold? My two boys getting along perfectly.
Rabbit.
Thomas!
And that's what separates us from the French.
Our natural rabbit's pace should be able to keep up.
Oh.
Do you know what? That would never have worked.